Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming availability now. Check local seasonality and market hours so you don't waste trips. Once done, decide where to source the fruit: farmer's market, specialty grocer, or reputable online seller, and plan transport. Make sure to bring an insulated bag or cooler for trips over 1 hour, because the sugar apple bruises easily and ripens fast. This protects texture and flavor. Next, prepare payment and a phone for photos of seller labels and ripeness cues. You now inspect candidates carefully. Start by scanning skin color. Pale green to yellow is ideal. Avoid dark, mushy spots that signal overripening. Then press gently. A slight give means ripe. If it's hard, it's underripe and will need days to soften. Smell the base. A sweet, floral aroma confirms readiness. Once you've chosen the best fruit, ask the vendor about storage and origin and negotiate price if appropriate. Pack the fruit upright and cushioned for the trip home. You finish by managing ripening and storage. If slightly underripe, leave the sugar apple at room temperature. Once it yields to gentle pressure, move it to the fridge to slow decay. Consume within 2 to 3 days, or scoop and freeze the pulp in airtight containers for longer use. If you find damage or overripe spots, act quickly. Cut away bruised areas, scoop pulp, and strain out seeds. This salvage step preserves flavor and prevents waste. If flavor is off, discard and notify seller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.